What is good? It's your boy JLG here, back at you with another video, and today I got a very special unboxing for you guys. I'm going to be opening up and taking a look at the Jordan 1 Mid Fearless Blue the Great. Now, it's a very controversial colorway. You either love them or you hate them. There's not really any in between. For me, it's not my personal style, so I will be selling these. It is a size 8, just to let you guys know. So if you're interested, DM me on Instagram at JLGSYG. It'll be linked down below in the description. But I don't want to waste any time. I want to get straight into the video. But before I do, I need everyone to go down below, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first up, I'm going to give you guys a little view of the front of the box here. I really love how Jordan are trying to bring some diversity into what they're releasing with the mids. They've been doing like 3 or 4 straight weeks of Fearless Jordan 1 mids. But I gotta say, I don't like mids. They're just an awkward shoe in between the high and the low. Just not for me. But a lot of people out there do like them, so respect to you guys. But it's just not for me personally. I just don't like that mid cut. Front of the box right here, I'm gonna open these up. First thing, oh, it fell out right there. Hold on a second. First thing we see right here, just add some nice little touch to the packaging there. The Fear card on the back. We got the Jordan logo, Jordan signature, and it says, "Limits like fears are often just an illusion." So, just a little bit of a little message that comes with these shoes in the box there. Very nice touch from Jordan brand. They've been very good with their packaging. Nike in general have been very good with their packaging lately. If I show you guys the top of the box here, now that's open, we see we got the Fearless wrapping. I'm not sure if you guys can see the details, but it says basically the same text that was on the card here is what's written all over the paper many times, and very nice. Bit of a step away from your standard white paper. We got another sheet of white paper here. Take that down, and another sheet of the paper here again. And we're about to look at the shoes, so I'm going to tilt the box up. And there they are, guys. Those are the Jordan 1 Mid Fearless Blue the Greats. And wow, can I just say, they look a lot more suede-y. If you know what I don't know, that's not really the right word, but from this where I'm showing you the shoes right now on the camera, the tick just looks like the same suede as the actual shoe itself. But I can tell you while I'm looking at it right now, it really isn't. It comes out almost like a carpet. I'm going to try and give you guys a really close look at that. But it pretty much comes out like a really soft sort of carpet. As you can see, factory laced. Now you're probably thinking, JLG, you know, what's going on? It took you a couple weeks to get these. Why so long? Now the reason is because I had to use a reshipper to get these, because the website I copped off wouldn't ship straight to Australia, which was unfortunate. It cost me a little bit extra, but I'd say it was worth it. Little detail here, as you can see, blue and sort of like this kitty graffiti sort of style writing, and that is not suede. We got the Jordan logo there, the Jordan 1 logo, the OG Jordan logo I should say. And I'll take the second pair out right now, and hold on, I'll just sort of put these on my lap as I set up. Put the box down here for now, guys, and I can set these on the table. And for me, like I said, it's a really nice shoe to look at, but the shoe is a Fearless, so you gotta be pretty much fearless to be able to wear these out in public. Guys, you gotta have some balls to wear these. Like, you're probably gonna get flamed a little bit, but it's okay, it's okay. They're pretty nice just to look at. Like, it's a nice shoe I can have sitting on my shelf right now. I'm just looking where I can have it behind the camera, guys, and it actually looks really nice. But, like I said, I will be signing these. I love the quality, the thought that went into these. As you can see, we got the tongue here. Sort of, I didn't really notice this in pictures when I looked at it. I'll just try and bend the tongue back. Sort of like a cream Jumpman logo with the air in a few different colors. That's red for the A, green for the I, and blue for the R. And I'll set these down here now, guys. Tell me what you think of them. Do you like them? Is it a yes? Is it a no? Will you be copying a pair? Have you copped the pair? Is it a pass? Tell me in the comment section down below. I want to hear you guys' thoughts on these. But that does pretty much bring me to the end of the video, guys. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and while you're down there, hit that notification bell just so you don't miss any of my banger videos about to come out. And until next time, guys, peace.
Hey, got a bad bitch I prefer to. She flirt with me, I'ma flirt too. Knock her lights out like a curfew. She want the dick, I could tell by her virtue. Bitch, up on my line, on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, so but watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fuck it, she